Hi guys, welcome to my channel and my first YouTube video. I'm like super excited to be doing this. Like I've been wanting to do this since like 2015. So we're just gonna jump on it. So let's begin. And I'll just link all the products that I use down below in the description box. For the eyes, I think I'm gonna be using the Saharan 2. I think I'm gonna use this first shade right here. Lids, I'm gonna go in using the Profusion Blush 2 palette. Yes, we're just gonna blend the eyeshadow out. But anyways, yeah, I'm like super excited. I've been working on this low key for like a while. So I'm like super stoked, dude. We're moving different this year, okay? Like, we're doing whatever we want to do. Redder shade. Right here. That's really pretty. I really like red-based eyeshadows. Some people don't like red eyeshadow, but I think it's really cool because like not a lot of people go in with red eyeshadow, and I think red is a really pretty color, you know. I'm like so glad it was sunny that day that I recorded this because like today as I'm doing this voiceover, it's like pouring rain outside and it's like super dark. Like on a normal day I don't usually like put on this much eyeshadow, but since I have time right now, we're going in. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go back into the Profusion palette and I'm gonna go into the shade Captivate. It's like a purple color. And I'm gonna just go in right here at the edge. I'm gonna try to post as frequently as I can since I'm in my last semester of college now, so it should be more realistic for me to do that. But yeah, I wanted to start this last semester, but my schedule was too crazy. And I did that so that I could clear it up for now, so that I would have time for this. And I'm like super happy. Like I've said that like I don't know how many times, but it's true. I'm working on getting my cause license right now, so I felt like this was like super appropriate. Like when I got out of high school, I honestly would have never thought I would have like pursued this path of study and this life path in general, because like I had originally gone to school for something else and I had considered it before when I was younger, before I was in high school, but like doing this really as an older person was like a spontaneous decision almost. I'm trying to decide if I should go ahead. Yeah, I should probably go. If I don't set my face, then I'm gonna really regret my decision later. I'm gonna set my face real quick before I like move. Alright, now we're gonna put the eyebrows on. I think I'm gonna get a small mirror for that. So just like I went for that, I decided to start this channel. I would find it. Okay, I think my brows look. Next, I'll probably go in with I'm gonna be using the Makeup Revolution Pro HD Powder Contour palette in light medium, and I usually bronze my face with this shade, and then I go in and contour with this one right here. What if scenarios don't really sit well with me. I'm one of those people that kind of just like goes for it because I would rather know that I just did something and saw what would happen if I tried than stay wondering, you know what I mean? Like I said earlier, we move in different, okay? 0 is a clean slate and 2020 ends with a 0, like hello. I'm just like super excited for like 2020 and like just this new decade in general. Like for me, what's partially motivating me is finishing school finally after being in there for several years and getting my license on what I'm working on right now. You guys ever say that you're gonna do natural makeup, but then you end up doing something like this, and then you're like, Oops.
But also to see like where life takes everybody, you know, because like for a lot of people, like for those of us that are in our 20s ish, this is the decade where a lot of us are finally gonna settle down and like establish ourselves, you know. I don't know, I just think that's like really cool to think about, but also really weird because like time goes by fast, dude, like for real.
And now I'm gonna go in
with that shade right there.
This palette is like really, really pigmented, by the way, if you guys go get it. Or at least in my opinion, it is.
Like low key, I'm like super obsessed with blush. Like I love it so much. But like believe it or not, I'm at that point where I'll like wear makeup one day and then I'll go like 1 or 2 days that I don't wear any at all.
And sometimes I like to put a little bit of blush depending on the occasion. But sometimes I like to put like a little bit of blush on my forehead. I know that's not for everybody, but like low key, that's what I love, guy. Like literally, I've had this for a minute and I don't even know what it's called. Like it just says black and the little badge code number.
Yes.
Okay, finally. Okay, literally this is the 6th time I'm trying to record this, but how it ended up turning out kind of cute or whatever. And now my camera memory is dying. That is so funny. Anyway,